in theory, so like for us, one of the easiest ways to do this would actually be to re-IP everything while it's still in VMware, and then migrate it over so
Yeah.
that when it gets to OpenStack, the network is already
Well,
set.
what you can also do, so the reasons why we have the option to do the same IP is in a scenario where you don't want to move a whole cluster and you want to move like 2 VMs at once. By having the ability to keep the same IP, and if you stretch the network, you can just move it one system at a time. But if you say, okay, I don't care, I actually don't mind taking down my whole cluster and moving everything over, you can actually give it a separate, different IP. As long as you configure your VM to use DHCP, it'll just wake up with DHCP and use the OpenStack DHCP and just get it whatever IP that you gave it when you supplied the network mapping. So it actually will respect the IP that you gave it in the CLI to cut over, and not necessarily the IP that's in VMware or in the VM. So long as you set it to DHCP, then it can be built in like Neutron DHCP infrastructure.
Thank you.
No problem.